This is my 1991 Honda Prelude that I made a while ago. It's been a while since I've made... oh no, I don't think it has, but it's been a while since I've made a video, so I thought I'd make one on this. So, let's get into the functions. It's got a bonnet that opens up. You can see the engine. As you can probably tell from the bonnet being up, it's got pop-up headlights, which are quite hard to get up when the bonnet's closed, just because the way they're designed. But there, that's it with pop-up headlights up. It's got doors. Now into the inside, it's got the dashboard, the steering wheel, gauges. There, it's got handbrake, gear stick, and I put a can in there just because I found one. Right, sorry about that little pause. It doesn't have a boot at the back, but I'll explain that later. Hold on. Right. The best feature this thing has is something that the real car has. So the real car has four-wheel steering, so I really wanted to get that in the Lego version. So there's a gear here for the steering. See that? All four wheels turn. Even the back ones turn a little. Now, that four-wheel steering was quite hard to get. But yeah, I don't know how well you can see it in the back. No, you can't really. But yeah, inside, at the other side of the can and the gear stick, there is an axle that goes through the car. I don't know. There's some gears deep in there. That gets the axle to go up, and then there's one that goes across to the steering rack at the back, which moves the back axle for it to turn. But that's my Honda Prelude.